NEPCON China 2026. Let's go and check the booth. ESD Pavilion. There's a TV, the TV is on. Media Center. So this fair focuses on electronics manufacturing. It's pretty professional. ESD, maybe you know this special term. Let's walk along this aisle and check the cheap ones. 金瑶. Create your connections. The machine is working here. Those kind of machines are pretty professional. Maybe you've got some knowledge of that. Maybe you haven't. Thermal systems from Germany. It's not huge, but it's quite busy. It's rather busy. Look at the logo. The logo is quite special. AXXON. ASMPT. JUKI, that one. That one is called a trier tag. Trier tag. Okay, let's walk quickly. And I'd like to cover the majorities of the exhibitors. TRL Innovation. Awesome tag. Hot bar. What about that one? Okay, let's walk along another aisle. And there are some big ones too. ZSW. That one. From Shenzhen. Pillar House. EM Leader TV. Customer Service Center. Eagle. That's a nice name. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for your time. If you are into this video, please give me a like. Thanks a lot. Bye bye everyone. Not big, but it's pretty good. It's worthy to come here. If you've got some free time, you can come here tomorrow. There are 2 more days ahead. Bye bye everyone. See you.